Ayu, she'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too. Yay!
Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? How are you feeling today, Gigi?
Happy.
Okay, we're really happy because we're going to make our own puppet. Look.
Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. But I don't have eyes. I need some eyes, please. Okay.
Let's see. Green, yellow, red, purple, orange, blue, pink, and blue. Pom-poms and eyes and noses and this and that and this and that. All right, let's start. Let's start with this one. Okay, I have some ideas in here, but maybe I will just create my own creature. Okay, let's see. I need some eyes. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, eyes. Oh. Okay, good. Perfect place. Okay. Let's attach this eye right in here. What else? What else? What's this? I know, a tongue. Yeah, so funny. Look at that. This creature has a tongue now. Ooh. Okay, what else? What else? Maybe some hands? What do you think? Yes, I think this should be just fine. Oh, wow!
Ew, what's this? What am I? Look at my tongue! Hello, I'm Mr. Hugo. Bam, 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 bam. Now I can fly. Oh, no, wait. I cannot fly because I don't have wings. Oh. Bam, 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 bam. Hello, look at my eyes.
Ooh, a pink one. All right, so let's use some pink colors in here. Let's make it really super colorful. Okay, eyes again. Now some wings. Wow. Just like that. Okay. 1. 2. Okay, so this creature has wings. We need the tongue again. We love tongues. They're really funny. Right in here. Okay. What else? What else? Some pom-poms, of course. Okay. What do we have in here? What about some eyebrows? Ooh, just like that. What do you think? Yes.
Ooh, look at my pink creature. Hello there. Ooh, I can fly. I have wings. Ooh, look at me. Look at me. Do you have wings? Can you fly? Ooh. Look at me. Look at my eyes. Hello. Hello, mister. Hello. How are you? Woohoo. I can fly up to the sky. Woohoo. My name is Linda.
Role play.
Hello. Hello. How are you? I'm good. You sure? Okay. Oh, I can see you have wings. I don't have wings. I'm upset. That's okay. I like your hands, but I can fly. Look at me, look at me. You want to fly with me? I can take you up to the sky. Let's fly together. Just hop on my back. Okay, thank you so much. I want to fly up to the sky. Okay, let's fly together. Hello, Gigi. You want to fly with me? Hello. Say something. Oh, Gigi doesn't want to say anything to me.
Now let's make some animals. Okay, we will start with the cow. I'm a cow. Hello there. Hello. Cow is ready. Next one. A penguin. Oh, penguin.
Look, I'm Mr. Penguin. Hello. Oh, I'm so cute. Am I? Oh, I'm Mr. Penguin and I'm so elegant. Look at me. I'm all dressed up. Black tie event for me today. Hello. Hello, guys. How are you feeling today? You okay?
Hello, Mr. Penguin. I'm Ayu. What's your name?
My name is Bobby.
Hi, Bobby. What a nice name. Oh, you're all dressed up. Where are you going?
I'm going to a party. It's someone's birthday. I'm so happy. Okay, bye-bye now.
Oh, this is so funny. You should try to do this at home too. All right, let's go to the next animal. We have a cow, we have a penguin, and now a monkey. Wee. Time for a monkey.
Hip hip hooray!
I'm a monkey. Hello, Ayu. How are you?
Hey, monkey, leave me alone.
Hello. Look at me. I'm a monkey. My name is Baby.
Let's make a chicken. Okay. Look what I made! My own puppet! How many puppets do I have? Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 puppets! This is the cow. This is just a creature. This is the penguin. This is another creature, very interesting one. This is a monkey and a chicken. All right, and now I'm going to choose 2 of them and I'm going to play with them. Again. The penguin and the creature. Let's try to pretend we are these creatures.
Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. I can fly. Can you see this? I have wings. I'm so special because I can fly, because I have wings and I have pom-poms. Oh, you're so boring. Look at my suit. Look at that. Can you see? Oh, look at that. Can you see that? Okay, that's interesting, but I have wings. Anyway, do you want to play together? Maybe. Okay, let's play. Maybe which dance? What dance? Okay.
Okay, who's going to sing?
I can sing. Is it okay with you?
Yes, I think so. Okay.
Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Oh, McDonald had a farm. E-A-O. And the farm he had a pig. E-A-O.
Isn't this really fun? Yes, it is.
Bye.
And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.